You just said something that I felt was quite traumatic. You feel that ThreatLocker has been the most significant software you have installed in your environment. Why is that the case?
I think the biggest part of installing ThreatLocker is it changed the culture of how we approach cybersecurity. In the past, we've always been about try to protect what we're doing and then we detect and respond to it. ThreatLocker, the paradigm changes for us. Now we're denying all sorts of things, whether it's elevation, local admin, applications, those things, and then just monitoring the configuration.
Talk to me how different departments reacted, and talk about the initial reaction and where we are today.
Well, the initial reaction was, I think all of us think of this as a command and control kind of tool. The reality is I learned I could use this as a way to reach out to my end users and understand what they were trying to do. Why did they need to install that application? What had we not given them? So in many ways, what started as command and control has actually been a tool that allowed me to reach out and partner better with my business.
Did you realize that when you started?
No. I was starting to have conversations because people want to install something, and I learned more about the business tools they needed that we hadn't given them. We didn't even thought to give them. We didn't know because we don't know their jobs as well as they do.
What do you think has changed dramatically?
I just had someone call me today, real story, an end user that was interested in doing a piece of software. They hadn't installed it, but they wanted to reach out and know if we had anything like this, if we'd heard about it. They wanted to talk and set up a meeting with me so they could talk about, is this good to bring into our environment? So now we're having a value conversation about software.
ThreatLocker helped you build a very positive security culture, yes?
Correct.
Is the security team, I guess, well-liked or respected where maybe it wasn't that case? And don't let me put words in your mouth. What do you think?
IT in general is always on the opposite side, but that's really changed. Now we're more seen as business partners. People, as I said, people reach out, whether it's software or how to figure out things, which is what we've always wanted. Maybe we didn't have the skills to express it in those ways before.
I love that ThreatLocker brought you together. That's great.